Hello everybody. Today till now we have done problems based on zeros and finding the relationships between the zeros and polynomials, and using those concepts we have found how to find the value of a variable in the given polynomial. That is totally one side. In polynomials there is one more topic, that is division algorithm. What is this division algorithm means? Let us talk about only division of numbers. Let us take 7 divided by 2. Now 7 this, and here 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. This we call it as dividend, this we call it as quotient, and this we call it as divisor, and this we call it as remainder. Now how do we get back the answer same? I mean same answer 7. First multiply these two. Which one? 3 into 2. Whatever product you are getting, that should be added to 1. And here 3 2s are 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So every time we cannot write like this. There should be some rule. Algorithm is in lowest words, we can say it as a rule. Then what is that rule? Means 7 is what here? Dividend. And 3 is what? 2 is what here? Divisor. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is in case of numbers. So now before I enter into the topic, first I would like to once again remind you, those who are interested for online tuitions, please contact me to this number 9866581428. Okay, and if you like my channel, please like my channel, share my videos, and comment if you have any doubts. Please post it in the comments box. Now coming to this, now in case of polynomials, how to do? So first here, if you take a polynomial p of x, if it is divided by another polynomial g of x. Now p of x, and here it is g of x. We don't know what is the quotient, so in general we take it as q of x, and finally whatever we are getting, that is r of x. So here p of x is dividend and g of x is divisor and q of x is quotient and r of x is remainder. So we can draw a formula for this. What is that formula? Means p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That means p of x is dividend and g of x is divisor, q of x is quotient, and r of x is remainder. So here this is the general formula in case of division of polynomials. All of them will be a polynomial. Sometimes r of x will be constant or 0 or a polynomial in terms of x. And the next one is, there are some conditions. What are those conditions? Means degree of p of x is greater than degree of g of x. That means degree of dividend is greater than degree of divisor. Okay, so now here in this case, now degree of remainder will be less than degree of divisor. right? Then now here how to find now degree of q of x is what? Degree of q of x is equals to degree of p of x minus degree of g of x. Okay, so here now degree of q of x, that means whatever polynomial you are getting, say if degree of p of x is equals to 4, degree of g of x is equals to 2, degree of q of x will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. So degree of q of x is equals to 2. So here this is how we can identify whether our division process is correct or wrong. Now let us take one example. Let us take one small example. P of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and g of x, let us take it as x plus 1. Now how to do this division? Means x plus 1 will be the divisor and this will be dividend, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now take this first term x cube and take the first term in the divisor, divide both of them, x cube by x, x power 1, x power 3 minus 2, that is x square. So write here x square. Now x plus 1 into x square. So x plus 1 into x square, x into x square plus 1 into x square. X into x square will be x cube plus x square. Now write this one here, x cube plus x square. So this is minus and this is minus, we have to subtract. When you subtract, the signs of the second expressions will change. Here it is plus, here it is plus, plus will become minus. So x cube and x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Coefficient of x square is 1, 3 minus 1, 2x square. Bring this 3x here. Now 2x square and x, divide once again. So 2x square by x power 1, 2x power 2 minus 1, 2x power 1 plus 2x. So here x plus 1 into 2x. So x into 2x plus 1 into 2x. So 2x into x, it is 2x square plus 2x. So write here 2x square plus 2x. This is minus and this will become minus. These two will get cancelled. So 3 minus 2, 1. So bring this plus 1 here, x and here x. Once again divide x by x, it is 1. So write here plus 1. Once again multiply x plus 1 into 1, x into 1 plus 1 into 1. So x plus 1. So write here x plus 1 minus minus, these two will get cancelled. So the remainder is 0. Now just check it. Now see what is the quotient. Q of x. Q of x is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. Degree of Q of x is what? 2. So degree of P of x, let us take this one as P of x. Degree of P of x is 3. degree of g of x, which is 1. So now subtract both of them. Degree of p of x minus degree of g of x. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, which is nothing but degree of q of x. Okay, now like that we can do. Sometimes what happens is we come across some missing terms in this polynomial, like say I don't have here 3x. Let us remove 3x and do the problem. So in that case, how to do the solution? So first here, once again, x plus 1 into x cube plus 3x square. If you are not having any term, so just write it as 0x plus 1. Now once again do the division, x cube with x. So x cube by x. So x power 1, x power 3 minus 1, that is x square. So write here x square, x plus 1 into x square. So x plus 1 into x square, x into x square plus 1 into x square. So x into x square, x cube plus x square. So write here x cube plus x square. So here it is minus, these two will get cancelled. So 2x square plus 0x, as we don't have any term, but we just for our convenience we write 0x. Now 2x square and x. So 2x square by x, that is x power 1, 2x power 2 minus 1, 2x power 1. So write here plus 2x. Now multiply this entire x plus 1 with 2x. So what do we get? X plus 1 into 2x, x into 2x plus 1 into 2x. So it is 2x square plus 2x. So write the same thing here, 2x square plus 2x minus, this is minus, these two will get cancelled. Now here minus 2x plus 1. Here degree of this divisor is 1, degree of divisor is also 1. But here we are not supposed to stop the division. Still it can be done. So now minus 2x by x, x and x cancel, minus 2. So here it is minus 2. Once again multiply x plus 1 with minus 2. So here x into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2. So that is equals to minus 2x minus 2. So here minus 2x minus 2 plus, and this is plus, these two will get cancelled. 1 plus 2, it is 3. But here 3 is not having any extra x with it. That means it is only a constant. Then in that case, what will be its degree? So degree of q of x is equals to 2. Q of x, that is the quotient, is x square plus 2x minus 2. So degree of q of x is 2 and remainder r of x, that is 3. Even though it is not having any x, but for our rule, according to our rule, we write as r of x. So here now degree of r of x, here 3 is constant. So degree of constant is 0. How degree of constant is 0? Now I will tell you. So this is, now here degree of p of x is equals to 3. Now degree of q of x minus degree of g of x. So degree of q of x is what here? 2. So degree of g of x, it is 3. Q of x is, sorry, degree of p of x minus degree of g of x. Degree of p of x is 3 minus degree of g of x, that is the divisor, it is 1, that is equals to 2, and 2 is nothing but degree of q of x, right? Now, just now I told about degree of constant is 0. How degree of constant is 0? Just we will recollect the concept. Now, first here, now here you take any term like 3x cube. So the power is what here? Power is 3. So therefore degree is 3. Okay. Next, 2x square. Now here power is 2. Degree is 2. Okay. Now combinedly you write down 3x cube plus 2x square. See, in case of only one term, we take only the power is 3 or power is 2. But when you are having a binomial, it is a monomial. Now in case of a binomial, how we will take the power? We will not say power, but we say it as highest power is 3. So degree is 3. Right? Now this is in case of polynomials. In case of constants, so in case of constants, how do we do it? Means take 3. Can I write 3 as 3 into 1? Right? So here 3 into 1. See, in case in exponents and powers concept, anything to the number, any number like x, if you take x power 0 is equals to 1, provided x is not equal to 0. If this base is not equal to 0, other than 0, if any number is there, like 2 power 0, 3 power 0, minus 1 whole power 0, so on, all will lead to the answer only 1. So here also 3 into 1, I can write it as 3 into x power 0. So therefore power is 0. So therefore degree is 0. Okay. Now what about degree of 0? Now degree of 0. Degree of 0. Now see, if I take 2, I will write it as 2 into 1, product of two numbers. 4 if I take, I will write it as 1 into 4, 2 into 2, 4 into 1, right? Now 0, how can I write? Now come to the polynomials. 2x means 2 into x. 2x cube means 2 into x square, or 2 into x cube, or 2 into x, or x cube into 2, or x into x square into 2. So you can write in these many forms. Now when you are talking about 0, can I write 0 as 0 into 2? And can I write 0 as 0 into 100? So 0 into 1000, so on, right? So in the same way, in case of polynomials, can I write it 0 as, I will write 0 as, in one case 0 into x. So here the power of x is 1. So power is 1. So degree is 1 in this case. Now I will take it as 0 into x square. In this case degree is 2. Now I will take 0 into x cube. Degree is 3. Again like that, 0 into x power 100. Degree is 100. So in case of 0, we don't have any particular common degree. Whether you write in any form, in each and every form it is changing from 1 to 300. So therefore degree of 0 is not defined. This we have to keep it in our mind. Okay. So now let us solve a problem based on these concepts. Now let us apply the concepts of division algorithm for this problem. First let us see, divide the polynomial f of x is equals to 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by the polynomial g of x is equals to x minus 1 minus x square, and verify the division algorithm. Now first how to do this? Here f of x is equals to 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. Here if you observe the powers of each and every term, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 1, and here it is 0. That is constant. Now they are not in order. They should be either in ascending order and descending order. But from many years when we are doing division, we got the habit of writing the powers of the polynomials in decreasing order only. So minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Next, g of x is equals to x minus 1 minus x square. So this one also, here power is 1, here it is 0, and here it is 2. We have to write it as 2, 1, 0. That is minus x square. Here sign of x is plus x minus 1. Now our polynomials are what? X cube. Now first divisor, minus x square plus x minus 1 minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now take the first term in the dividend, take the first term in the divisor. When you are taking, you have to take even the sign. That is, here it is minus and here it is minus. So minus x cube by minus x square, minus minus cancel, x power 3 minus 2, that is x. So write here x. Now multiply this entire trinomial with x. That is minus x square plus x minus 1 into x. So here minus x square into x plus x into x minus 1 into x. So minus x square into x square 2 plus 1 3 plus x square minus x. So here minus x cube plus x square minus x. So this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. When we subtract, the signs will change only for the second polynomial, not for the top one. Now minus x cube 1 and this is 1, these two will get cancelled. 3 is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square, here it is 1, 3 minus 1, 2x square, coefficient of x is 1, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2x, get this 5 here. Now 2x square divided by minus x square cancel. So it is minus 2. So write here minus 2. Now minus x square plus x minus 1 into minus 2. So that is equals to minus x square minus 2 plus x into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Now right here it is 2x square minus 2x plus 2. This is minus plus and minus, these two will get cancelled, these two will get cancelled. 5 minus 2, it is 3. So therefore quotient q of x quotient is what here? Q of x is equals to x minus 2 and r of x is equals to 3. Now he is asking you to find the verification whether the solution what we got is correct or wrong. So for that, what is that verification? Means verification dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is what we have learned in the very first point. Now dividend is what here? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now divisor is g of x minus x square plus x minus 1 into q of x, x minus 2 plus r of x is 3. Now minus x square into x minus 2. Now this minus x square should be multiplied with x minus 2. X should be multiplied with x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3. So here minus x square into x minus x square into minus 2 plus x into x plus x into minus 2, x into x, x into minus 2 minus 1 into x minus into minus plus 2 plus 3. Okay. So now minus x square into x minus x cube minus into minus plus 2x square plus x square plus into minus minus 2x minus into plus minus x plus 5. So here minus x cube plus 2x square plus x square coefficient is 1, 3x square minus 3x plus 1, and what is there in the LHS? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 1. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. Okay. Now the next problem, by applying division algorithm, prove that g of x is equals to x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of p of x is equals to 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. First, let us be clear with this term factor. Factor means what? You take a number 7, when you divide 7 with 2, what is the remainder you are getting? Just check it. 2 3 is 6, 1. Now divide 8 with 2. So 8, 2 4 is 8, remainder is 0. So in this case remainder is 0. So therefore 2 is factor of 8. Here remainder is not 0. Therefore 2 is not the factor of 7. So indirectly he is giving you one hint that he already is asking you to prove, means, and he is saying that it is a factor, means what? The remainder should be 0. So first let us take 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2, and this is x square plus 3x plus 1. Now take the first term 3x power 4 and here it is x square. So 3x power 4 by x square, 3x power x 4 minus 2, that is 3x square So write here 3x square. Multiply this entire thing with 3x square. So x square plus 3x plus 1 into 3x square. X square into 3x square plus 3x into 3x square plus 1 into 3x square. So that is equals to 3x power 2 plus 2, 3 3s are 9, x power 2 plus 1 plus 3x square. So that is equals to 3x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. So 3x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. So this is minus and this is minus. These two will get cancelled. Now 5 minus 9 is equals to minus 4. So minus 4x cube minus 7 minus 3 minus 10x square plus 2x. So minus 4x cube and x square. Once again you divide minus 4x cube by x square minus 4 into x power 3 minus 2 minus 4x power 1. So minus 4x. Multiply this entire thing with this minus 4x. X square minus 3x plus 1 into minus 4x. So x square into minus 4x minus 3x into minus 4x plus 1 into minus 4x. So that is equals to minus 4 x power 2 plus 1 minus into minus plus 12 x power 1 plus 1 minus 4x. So what do we get here? Minus 4x cube plus 12x square minus 4x. So write down here minus 4x cube plus 12x square minus 4x. So this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. These two will get cancelled. So here minus 22x square plus 6x plus 2. So here minus 22x square plus into minus minus. So this will be plus. So this will be here plus 2x square plus 2x plus 6x plus 2. Now divide 2x square with x square. So 2x square by x square cancel. It is plus 2. So write here plus 2. 2 into x square, that is once again x square plus 3x plus 1 into 2 x square into 2 2x square plus 3x into 2 plus 1 into 2. So 2x square plus 6x plus 2. So 2x square plus 6x plus 2 minus all of them will get cancelled. So therefore remainder is 0. Therefore we can say that g of x is factor of p of x. Hence proved. Thank you.